Hello children, have you heard the song Old Macdonald? Let's sing it together. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. So what did Old Macdonald have? Yes, he had a farm. But what is a farm? A farm is a piece of land used to grow crops and raise animals for produce. Look at this beautiful farm full of crops. Many farms are large and in some places farms are small. Okay, tell me, who is Old Macdonald? He is a farmer. People who grow plants or raise animals are called farmers. A farm usually includes a house where the farmer, his family and the workers live. There is another building such as a barn. A barn is used for the storage of farm products or feed and usually for the housing of farm animals or farm equipments. Axe, rake, shovel, wheelbarrow, land mower are some of the equipments used at the farm. Since India is so diverse in its climate and soil, there are a variety of food crops grown on farms across India. Most widely cultivated food crops in India are rice, wheat, jawar, pulses, coffee and many more. Some farms which grow fruits are called orchards. Did you know that India is known as the fruit basket of the world as it is the largest producer of fruits? How amazing! The major fruits grown in India are bananas, mangoes, papaya, grapes, orange, lychee and watermelons. You know, there are some animals that are reared on the farm. They are called farm animals. You might see cows, pigs, chickens, horses, sheep, goats, llamas and donkeys living on farms. Some of the food grown on farms feeds farm animals, and the other food is sent from the farm to feed people. Animals like bullocks are tied to carts and used for transporting crops from one place to another. Nowadays, farmers do most of this work with machines on modern farms. Let's look at some of the most common farm animals. A farm may raise cows for milk. A dairy farm usually keeps many cows and milks them 2 or 3 times each day, collecting the milk to sell. A baby cow is called a calf, adult female is called a cow, and an adult male is called a bull. They stay in groups called herds. They are usually kept in sheds and barns. Horses can perform a wide range of tasks on a farm. Big and strong horses can pull carts and carriages. Adult male horses are called stallions and female horses are called mares. Their babies are called foal. Horses on a farm might live in a pasture or they may live in a stable. Some farmers raise sheep for wool. Farmers usually place sheep in a barn to sleep and they allow sheep to run in a pasture during the day. Baby sheep are called lambs. Male sheep are called rams and females are called ewes. Some farms have chickens. Chickens on a farm need a coop to keep them safe from other animals. Hens are the female chickens and roosters are the male chickens. We also find animals and birds like donkeys, pigs, turkeys and ducks on a farm. I hope you enjoyed seeing the farm and farm animals. There are many more videos in this series, so keep watching.